Hi, Dr. Aaron Bates here. Today we're going to do your 5-minute neck mobility workout. This is not stretching. This is not designed to really attack pain. Think of it as a way to help you acclimate to your adjustments. You will get everything you need from your adjustment to help balance your musculoskeletal system and normalize your nervous system. However, you need something to get you going through the day and also help fend off the normal day-to-day stress as well. So your neck mobility will help you do that. And what we're going to do is focus on some gentle, simple movements. So less is more. It's not how hard you do it. Maybe it's how consistently you do it. So I'm just going to get us started with some gentle neck flexion and extensions. Now, this is the simplest movement that your neck can do. And what it's going to do is help to soften up and hydrate the discs, which will naturally loosen up the muscles. And you want to do about 20 slow reps of these. And you can do this any time of day, right when you wake up or at lunchtime, after you eat, whatever it is. That is the simplest movement to do, flexion extension. The secondary movement that we would do next would be rotation. So once you do about 2 minutes or 20 reps to 3 minutes, it could be the majority of the mobility that you do, you're going to go side to side. And now that you got those discs more gelled out, and that's actually the scientific term for it, is the gelling process of the discs, which naturally hydrate like a sponge through movement. We're going to go side to side. And this movement is slightly more complex. You don't want to push it to your end range. Again, we're just doing gentle movements. And this is a natural pain reliever and mobilizer. So the big don't is lateral bending. Lateral bending is a much more complex movement for the neck to do. If your neck is misaligned or if it's tight on one side and swollen on another side, it can actually do more harm. But what you can do is you can gently lateral bend, maybe just, a quarter of your range of motion, like 10 degrees, and then start going back to your extension and flexion. And again, you're not pushing for range of motion. The range of motion will happen naturally, just as you loosen up that sponge. So we go forward and backwards. Again, another 20, and maybe you go this way, and you're going to go 20 forward and backwards here. Now, a slightly more advanced version of this is the chicken wing. I'm going to take my hand, and I'm going to reach behind my back and grab it with my left hand. So I'm pulling my arm, if you can see that, right there. And I'm pulling it across my back. Now I've anchored my right shoulder down. There's my chicken wing right there. And I'm going to gently laterally bend towards the direction of that chicken wing. And I'm going to go forward and backwards again. Flexion, extension. I might feel a little stretch. You might have the tendency. So many people, oh, I want to get in there and stretch it out. It hurts so good. But that's exactly what you're doing is you're hurting yourself. So you're not getting yourself anywhere faster. But this will help you to acclimate to that adjustment and get the most out of that adjustment and also fend off the day-to-day stress. So then we'll just switch sides, gentle lateral bend, and working on that extension and flexion. This can be done several times a day. As long as you're gentle with it, you can do it, 10 minutes, 20 minutes, great part of meditation, whatever you want to do, but just be consistent with it, and that will help to stabilize that adjustment. Enjoy.